Inside your PlanPlus Online account, you have a lot of capability as far as customizing the information and, of course, preparing the information to be reviewed and reported upon. Here I look at contacts, for example. Here, just look at some of these sub-tab areas. Will tell you an awful lot. You can look at a summary. That's a list of all the contacts. Now you can control that summary. Here's where we create a brand new contact on the fly manually. Here's our views and reports. So again, a reporting tool. Here are lists. And the lists are, in fact, lists or sublists of contacts that you want to keep track of as a particular group. Processes do. We have process steps that you can assign to a contact. You can look at contacts who are associated to different products. And then you have an advanced search. So right there you have a whole lot of things that are sort of administrative in nature, but you want to be sure that you're comfortable with them. Now first of all, let's look up here if I were to create a brand new contact. Now I click here. Here's the way this contact window now looks as far as the information that I'm going to be collecting. Now suppose I wanted to collect some different information when I create a brand new contact. Well, the way to do that would be back here in the account, look under account and organization contact, and here I look at my setup page layout, and here down here under contact. Now this is a very powerful page here that allows you to look at each one of the layout areas and then build that layout area to collect the kind of information that you want. So here is the detail page, and for example, we were just looking at contacts new. Here's the create page, so I can edit that. Now this is organized according to the page that is editable, but also by role. So we won't talk about role right now, but company-wide applies to all users of the account who do not otherwise have a role specified. So here in the create page, I click here. Here are the fields now besides the core fields that I'm going to collect when I create a brand new contact. Now you see here there's nothing in any one of these fields because the create page for a contact includes the basic elements already of first name, last name, address, phone number, email, etc. So if you want to add some additional fields, simple matter here to click here, and I look down here and I can see all of my custom fields that I might want to capture as well. And for example, let's just say style. That's going to be one of the fields that I want to capture around the contact. Go down here a little bit further, and I also want to capture size. So that has to do with perhaps the nature of the size of product that the particular customer was interested in. Here I'm going to make this field label just say size. Go here, click this down here, it just has style. So my label is appropriate for the field itself. So I'll go ahead and submit that. So now that I've done that, here it asks me if I want to have any of these fields be mandatory. I don't care about that. Now if I go into contacts and I look at new, I'll see now not only am I capturing all these core fields of phone number and address and first name, last name, but here now I am capturing these other fields of style and size. So pretty straightforward as far as organizing the data, but it's a good idea to one, understand what data you do want to capture, make sure that you have defined that field, and then secondly, show that field in any context that you want, be it create or in the detail page.